Sharon Moalem, Inheritance, How Our Genes Change Our Lives and Our Lives Change Our Genes. Embark on a fascinating journey as we explore the key themes of the inheritance. How Our Genes Change Our Lives and Our Lives Change Our Genes by Sharon Moalem. This book unravels the intricate connection between our genetic makeup and daily life, demonstrating the impact of genetics on our physical appearance and health. Through engaging examples, from how eye color might hint at genetic conditions, to the role genetics play in our ability to metabolize different foods and sporting abilities, gain a deeper understanding of how our lives and actions can also impact our genetic structure. Be prepared to challenge your preconceived notions on how the human body works, as we delve into the complexities of genetic conditions and epigenetic changes.
Uncover genetic clues through physical appearance. The link between genetics and physical appearance is a two-way street. This summary explores how physical appearance, particularly the eyes, can provide valuable information on a person's genetic makeup. For instance, a person with extremely close-set eyes may have Fanconi anemia and an increased risk of seizures. The shape of a person's eyes can also provide clues to genetic conditions such as Down syndrome. Genetics also affects eye color, with heterochromia being a condition that results in one eye being a different color than the other. Conversely, knowledge of a person's DNA can also provide insight into their physical appearance. Otzi, the Stone Age man, is a prime example of how analyzing DNA can uncover valuable information about a person's physical traits, such as skin color, eye color, and even risk factors for diseases like cardiovascular disease. The unpredictable nature of genetics. Our understanding of genetics has limits, and there's no guarantee that good genes will be passed down to the next generation. This is due to the unpredictable nature of genetic expressivity, which can result in wildly different appearance and ailments even among identical twins. The case of a Danish sperm donor named Ralph, who passed on a passive gene for neurofibromatosis to his children, underscores the limitations of genetic testing. This article challenges widely held beliefs about genetics and highlights the complexities of the field. The complexity of sex and genetics. Biology textbooks teach us that there are only two sexes, male and female, determined by the presence of certain chromosomes. However, modern genetics has discovered that there are countless genetic variables that can influence someone's sex. It is possible for someone to be biologically both male and female. This is shown through the life of Ethan, who, despite having two X chromosomes, developed as a typical boy due to the activation of certain genes responsible for sex determination. Overall, the traditional binary view of sex doesn't accurately reflect the diversity of human beings and their genetics. Genetics and food, a surprising relationship. Do you pay attention to nutritional information? Depending on your genes, it could save your life. Genetics play a crucial role in determining how our body reacts to certain foods. SLC23A1 gene variation makes some people highly efficient in metabolizing vitamin C, requiring only a few limes to stay healthy. CYP1A2 determines how quickly we metabolize caffeine, affecting our morning coffee ritual. Genetics can make healthy foods harmful, as in hereditary fructose intolerance, where fruits can damage the liver. OTC deficiency causes symptoms from eating high-protein foods like leg pain, nausea, and hyperactivity. Genetics and athletic abilities. Athletic abilities are impacted by genetics. The size of athletes like Shaquille O'Neal and arm span of Michael Phelps are genetic traits that contribute to their success. Some individuals have genetic conditions that give them an advantage in sports, like primary familial and congenital polycythemia, which helps circulate oxygen and increase endurance. Pain endurance is also influenced by genetics, with some individuals not feeling pain due to a mutation in the SCN9A gene. However, training can alter gene behavior and affect the body. Rigorous exercise can stimulate bone growth to support muscle weight, while lack of exercise can lead to weakened bones, like in astronauts in a zero-gravity atmosphere. The power of epigenetics. Our genes are not entirely predetermined, but can be influenced by the way we live our lives, through a process called epigenetics. Everyday activities have the potential to impact our genes positively or negatively, leading to genetic mutations that cause cancer or enhance genetic codes that protect cells from damage. Eating the right foods like spinach can also improve your genetic makeup. However, traumatic events, even in the past generations, can affect our genes too, leading to behavioral changes and increased risk of certain illnesses. Epigenetics offers the possibility of changing our genetic destiny through personal choices and understanding the effect of environmental factors on our genes. The value and dangers of knowing your DNA. Your DNA holds crucial information about your health, but it also has financial implications. Companies, including the tobacco industry and insurance companies, want to use your genetic makeup for their benefit. However, knowing about your DNA can also help you prevent diseases and take preventive action. For instance, by identifying BRCA1 mutations, you can prevent cancer from forming. Being a provider involves using this information to take appropriate action and avoid developing cancer. Ultimately, understanding your DNA helps you take care of your health and make informed choices about your lifestyle.
In the captivating book Inheritance, Sharon Moalem delves into a wide array of topics connected to genetics. We learned how genetics affect our appearance and health, challenging the traditional binary understanding of sex and gender. Furthermore, we explored how our bodies interact with the environment, picking up cues that can alter our genetic structure for better or worse. The impact our genealogy and choices have on future generations is an enlightening reminder of the interconnectedness of our well-being. Lastly, we delved into ethical questions that arise when genetic information is exploited by corporations for financial benefit. This book serves as a powerful reminder that by understanding our genetic makeup, we can make informed decisions and embrace the extraordinary influence our genes have on our lives.